Grow coriander like a pro to enjoy all year round without spending a fortune. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Coriander is a familiar herb, not only delicious but also enhances the flavor of many dishes. Whether used in hot pot, cold dishes, or simply as decoration, coriander always makes the dish more attractive. That's why many people love coriander, but its price is not cheap. What's more regrettable is that the roots, which can be reused, are often cut off and thrown away. What a waste! Instead of having to buy coriander every week, why don't you grow it at home? Today, I will share with you an extremely simple tip. Grow coriander in many different ways without spending money. Empty plastic bottles are available at home. Don't throw them away because you can completely take advantage of them to create a lush mini coriander garden right in your kitchen. With just a few simple steps, you will have fresh, clean coriander to eat all year round and save hundreds of dollars each year. Let's watch the video to get started. Method 1. Growing vegetables with plastic bottles. First, we process the empty plastic bottles. Remove the cap. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Use scissors to cut the body of the bottle, leaving about 1/3 from the bottom up. You can use a box cutter or scissors, but be careful. Because the body of the bottle is quite slippery, if you are not careful, you can hurt your hand, so it is not worth it. Cut all the water bottles that we intend to use. Do it like this. If you want the mouth of the bottle to be smoother to avoid cutting your hand, you can use an iron at a moderate temperature to gently smooth the mouth of the bottle. This will make the bottle smooth and very safe. After cutting the plastic bottles, set it aside for later use. Now we cut the coriander roots. Then put the roots in the mouth of the bottle. Pull the roots down like this. Remember to expose each root. Put the roots into the body of the bottle. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Similarly, you can apply this method with the remaining green onion roots, chive roots, and celery roots in the house. Cut the roots and put them in the mouth of the bottle as you did. Then pull the roots out to expose them. Put them in the body of the bottle. Then pour in tap water. Cut the roots and put them in the mouth of the bottle as you did. Note here that everyone must control the amount of water. Just pour water so that the coriander roots are just submerged in water. Don't pour too much. That's it. So we have 4 bottles to grow: coriander, green onions, celery, and chives. Change the water every 2 to 3 days so that the plants grow well all year round. It looks like a small flower. You can also put it indoors to admire. You can make use of the remaining eggshells in the house. Wash the eggshells with water. The main component of eggshells is calcium carbonate. This is a rich source of calcium, which helps plants build cell walls, promote cell division and root development, and increase the plant's resistance to pests and diseases. Eggshells help increase the calcium content in the water, which is good for root development and helps plants absorb nutrients better. Then dry them in the sun or dry them in an air fryer or oven. We dry them in the sun. After drying, you can store the eggshells for later use. Drying helps kill bacteria, such as salmonella, while also preventing mosquitoes from breeding or attracting insects. Then, you crush or grind the eggshells into powder. Each time you change the water, add a little eggshell powder to the water, which helps the plant grow well. This method can provide adequate nutrition for coriander, green onions, chives, and celery. Each time you change the water, add a little eggshell powder to the water, which helps the plant grow well. This method can provide adequate nutrition for coriander, green onions, chives, and celery. Method 2. Growing vegetables in styrofoam boxes. Similar to Method 1. This time, cut off the top part, leaves, to use and keep the root sprouts below. Do not cut completely so that the plant can grow back. There are 2 ways to grow coriander: from seeds and from the remaining roots. For those who live in apartments or do not have land, growing from the roots is the fastest way to freely eat coriander all year round. You can use styrofoam boxes. Fill in the soil. You can get fertile soil from the mountains or order nutritious soil online for convenience. Then plant the coriander roots. Remember to bury the roots deep, leaving the stem exposed. Coriander does not require good soil, has few pests, and is easy to care for. Because of its characteristic smell, you can grow it on the balcony, both beautiful and repelling insects. After planting, water a little water called root water to help the plant adapt. After 7 days, water with diluted fertilizer and water. If you leave the sprouts as I did, you can start harvesting them in just a few days. Coriander is a great vegetable to grow at home. Whether in a pot or in the garden, it just needs water to thrive. Try growing it once and feel the joy of harvesting it yourself. If you haven't eaten the tops of the coriander and onions yet, you can preserve them in the following way. Freeze herbs. Pick out old leaves, wilted leaves, or bruised stems. Put herbs in a basin of clean water. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Stir until baking soda dissolves. Soak vegetables for 5 to 7 minutes. Rinse with clean water. Remove in a basket to drain completely. You can use paper towels or a clean towel to dry. Use a knife to cut vegetables into small pieces, depending on your cooking habits. The smaller the pieces, the easier it is to use later. Prepare 3 zip bags. Put the chopped vegetables in, spread them out thinly. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Put the vegetable bag in a basin of water to squeeze out all the pieces, then close the bag. Removing air helps the vegetables retain their color and avoid freezing into lumps. Put the vegetable bag in the freezer. It should be placed flat so that the vegetables do not clump together, making it easier to break into pieces for later use. Do not defrost when needed. Take the amount you need and add it to the pot while you're cooking, like soup, porridge, stir-fry, etc. This method keeps vegetables fresh for up to 2 to 3 months in the freezer. No need to spend time preparing each dish. We just shared a method to grow coriander, onions, chives, and celery by reusing water bottles. Simple and effective. Did you like these methods? If my videos are useful to you, please like, share with your friends and relatives. You can also support me by subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much. Goodbye. See you again.